Alright, I want to show you a new feature release inside Flexi AI Editor that is going to take your page creation skill to the next level, okay, and your outcome to the next level. As you can see in the right hand side, there is a sidebar which is coming, right? It was not there earlier, we have just added it. So the sidebar is all about over here we have added all the different types of pages which can be created. For example, you might have an application page or an event page or a home page or about page or checkout page or upsell page or downsell page, webinar registration page, sales page. Like we have thought of all the different types of pages that can be created. We can add more if requested, of course, right? And over here, we have added a drop down. Now the way it is gonna work is, let's suppose you want a new page to be created. For example, you want a sales page for iPhone photography course. Okay, let's suppose you want this. Now, you will add other details. For example, my name is this, and this is going to be my price, and stuff like that. But at the same time, on a page, okay, there are there can be a lot of sections which can be really valuable, but since AI is doing the job over here, so you are not aware that what exactly is gonna come from AI, right? Once the page is created for you. But if you give it the input, if you select some sections over here, that hey, I definitely want, let's suppose this is a sales page, I definitely want a process page on this page, how it works. I definitely want features on this like in-depth breakdown of what exactly is going to be delivered inside the course, and I want 10 pointers inside it. So now this is going to make it very specific, okay? So the way it is going to work is the sections that you are going to be selecting over here are definitely going to be added on your page. However, it does not mean that if you have not selected this, then it cannot come. It might still come because AI is going to deliver the best page to you according to the understanding of AI and the training of AI that we have done. Okay, so it is still going to deliver the best page, but the selections that you have done is going to be ensured that that selection is definitely going to be inside your page, and that is going to enhance the value of your page because that gives you the certainty that okay, this thing is definitely going to come. And what we have done is we have done it very smartly. We have given, like, we have done a thorough research, and we have given you almost all the sections and elements that should come in a sales page, and most importantly we have done it in a exact sequence in which they should be coming. So this is like the exact how a sales page should be. Like, of course, this is way too detailed. In a sales page, you may or may not want something. For example, you may not want case studies. You may not want, let's suppose, testimonials. You may not want, let's say, this. But we have added just to ensure that you do not miss anything. And while making your, or while giving your input, while making your page, you do not miss anything, right? So this will ensure, and I will show you some outputs. For example, um, let's say we made a upsell page for the yoga course, if you will see, right? If we was a course and upsell is one-to-one coaching, and these were the inputs that I had selected, right, for the testing purpose. So if you will see, now this has enhanced the value of the page, right, where your yoga journey is not complete yet. And now I'm very sure that this is something which is definitely going to come. Transform your practice with personal guidance. Right, see, now see, have a look at this. How much detailed the page is. If I would have just written, let's say, give me 10 features for my upsell page, give me features, then I would not be sure that it is going to give me 5 features, 6 features, 4, 3, or what. But now I'm sure that it is going to give me 10 features, right? So I can definitely, like, this is something, which is very, very useful. Like, I had selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 probably testimonials. So this is something that came. Right, so automatically this enhances the value of the page. Have a look at this. See the difference personalized coaching makes, without coaching, with coaching. So of course this is the selection that has been done, right? So side by side comparison, if you will see. So all these selections have been done, and because of that, the thing is visible right in front of you, right? The special offer expires in. So this gives you a lot of extra control on the output, that the kind of page that you will be getting, right? Have a look at this. Who will be coaching you? Like, all of these sections are definitely coming. And then I was selecting. I believe I would have selected FAQ as well. See, testimonials were selected, and bonus with this upsell. uh, let's see if I had selected FAQ or not, because even if I have not selected, it can still come. That's what I told you, right? AI is still going to do the job for you. So it's still going to create a perfect page for you, but the things that I'm going to select are definitely going to be coming, and this gives you a perfect idea and a perfect detailing of what all sections should be there on a particular page, so that you do not miss out on anything. Okay, so this just elevates the kind of page creation experience you're going to have. See, this is for the call booking page for the dentist, but of course with all the inputs that we would have selected. So there is a call booking page, all the inputs over here, right? So we would have selected, and then have a look at the page, right? So with a lot of detailing over here, like with the embed form and all the other detailing, so it has created this perfect page. So yeah, this is something which is very very helpful, and it's definitely going to help in your page creation. All right.